Today I'm comparing two of the top crypto portfolio trackers out there, CoinStats and CoinTracker. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Check out the link in the description below to try them out. Alright, let's dive in. First up, CoinStats. CoinStats is known for its sleek interface and ease of use. It's perfect if you're looking for a straightforward way to manage your crypto assets. One of the standout features is its real-time tracking. You get instant updates on your portfolio's value, which is super handy during market fluctuations. CoinStats also supports over 8,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates with all major exchanges. It's pretty much your one-stop shop for all things crypto. But hold on, let's not count out CoinTracker just yet. CoinTracker offers some serious competition. It's particularly strong when it comes to tax reporting. With CoinTracker, you get access to detailed tax reports that make tax season a breeze. It also supports over 300 exchanges and wallets, which is pretty impressive. Plus, CoinTracker provides a unified view of your crypto and fiat assets, giving you a comprehensive financial picture. So, which one should you choose? Well, it really boils down to what you're looking for. If you want a user-friendly, feature-rich experience with real-time updates, CoinStats might be your go-to. But if tax reporting and a broader range of exchange support are more important to you, CoinTracker could be the better fit. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's all about finding the right match for your needs. Personally, I love how CoinStats keeps everything simple and accessible, but I can't overlook the tax features that CoinTracker offers. It's a tough call, but hey, that's why it's the ultimate showdown. And there you have it, CoinStats versus CoinTracker, broken down for you. If you want to try them out for yourself, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.